Sipika wa Palamenti Rebecca Kadaga ategeezezza nga bw'asisinkanya abakulu mu minisitule y'ebyobulamu enfunda eziwera ku mbeera y'ebyobujjanjabi mu ggwanga.
We have battled in this very room over health issues. So I just want to assure you that we are with you and that we shall continue to give you the necessary support to see that these things are improved.
Abasawo bano ababadde bawera okuddamu okwediima nga 15 omwezi guno bagamba nti gavumenti eremereddwa okufa ku bintu ebibaluma omuli n'embeera mwe bakolera.
The duty facilitating allowances and issue number 1 on the supplies, 41 billion is what government had committed to supplement, but according to our interaction with the Committee on Health, this money has not been released.
I called the minister here. I called the minister SPS and I told them I want to see this money. I want to see this money. Yes. We also had the problem of the National Medical Stores. The money is here, the money is not there.
Kadaga bano abawadde amagezi okugaziya ku bwongo mu by'obujjanjabi kisobozese okwongera ku bajjanjabi naddala ab'ekikugu mu ggwanga abalabika nga bakyali batono.
I was invited to the Coastal Hospital in Mbale where these children with hydrocephalus are treated, and they told me we only have two surgeons in the whole of the Eastern region. So you people, I don't know what you can do in the profession to encourage people to diversify.
Abasawo babadde basuubirwa okuddamu okwekalakaasa olunaku lw'enkya.
That may be reconsidered pending the outcome of today's meeting, which we don't know as for now.
Ensonga eno ebaddemu n'abakulira abasawo abakola nga bwe basoma saako abakugu mu by'obulamu.